Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Remitly app on your iPhone, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened the App Store and now you need to search for the Remitly in App Store, search bar. Once you do that, you can see there is an app at top shown in the screen which is distinguishable by its Remitly logo, and don't forget you will find the download option at the right side. And yeah, you can see it is developed by Remitly Inc. itself as well. So now let's tap on the download icon and you can see your download will begin automatically. So yeah, once your download gets complete, simply tap on the open button and yeah, you will be able to access it. So basically this is how you can download Remitly app on your iPhone, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.